evolved to be the most advanced versions of mammals on the planet to defend the land humans against intergalactic aliens.
I genuinely can't tell if this original video is satire or not. I'm really hoping it is, because the point in this video, they are saying that dolphins and whales evolved to protect humans, so from cephalopods, aka space aliens, and I genuinely hope that it is satire, but I honestly don't know. But let's break this down, pretending we're taking it seriously. So, first off, dolphins and whales evolved way before humans did. They've been here a lot longer than us. Like, humans, like Homo sapiens sapien, came around 200,000 years ago. Cetaceans, like dolphins and whales, first started evolving 50 million years ago. So no, they did not evolve in order to protect humans from cephalopods. That's stupid as shit. The next point, they bring up a picture of a dolphin embryo and a human embryo, and they do look very similar because all vertebrate embryos look very similar in the early stages when they're not fully baked. They all look very similar because embryos pretty much all have the same body plan until a bit later in development when they start getting their own features. So that is not a solid point to stand on, because in the very first bits of development, a human, a dolphin, a bird, a reptile, embryos are all basically indistinguishable from each other until they start actually developing features. Another point, they show a picture of a whale fin skeleton and a human hand, where they have similar bone structure. Like, again, almost all vertebrates, if you look at them like close enough, all vertebrates have the same, or I guess tetrapods have the same bones in like relatively same places. They're just for different functions. Like, yeah, whale fins have like the fingers and stuff, but they're used for very different functions than human fingers, but they're all the same bones, basically. And then they bring up the fact that cephalopods are very different from humans, which, yeah, they sure are, because we're not as closely related as humans and dolphins are. So of course humans and cephalopods are going to be a lot different than humans and dolphins are. Like, yeah, they don't have bones and they move through jet propulsion. So do a lot of things. What point are you trying to make? I sincerely hope that this video was satire, but honestly, I'm not even sure anymore.